Hey guys, this is Rob for Rob's Guitar School, and here we have another in our series of quick riffs. So here we have the main riff for Crazy Train by Ozzy, and let me get to it here. So what we're going to do here is let me play it for you once. And that's it. Okay, so our strings, or we know, are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll be saying the string numbers. This is number 6 here. So we're going to hit 2nd fret of string 6 twice. And then we're going to hit the 4th fret of string 5 once. And then back to string 6 at the 2nd fret. So we have... And then we're going to hit the 5th fret of string 5, and then back to the 2nd fret of string 6. So we have... Okay, so after that, we're going to have the 2nd fret of string 5 here. And we got a couple of options here in terms of how to play it, but I play it from that 2nd fret of string 5. I'm going to hit on using my pinky and ring finger, which can be troublesome for some people, but others, it's a good sort of ring and pinky independence is a really good skill to develop. But anyways, it's going to go on string 6. It's going to go 5, 4, 5. I've seen some people play it as open A, which is the 5th string, and then the 4th string on string 6, and then back to string 5 open. So that'd be, or so we have, and back to the 2nd fret on string 5, and then it's going to be on string 6. It's going to go 5, 4 open on. So here it is slowly. Now, if that was too fast for you, there is a settings on YouTube where you can you click on the settings cog icon and you can slow the speed of the video down to 75% or 50% to make it much easier. So I highly recommend doing that. It's really handy when you're learning the guitar stuff. And if you're interested in taking guitar lessons from us, we have a link in the bottom of the description here where you can take lessons on us from Zoom, and the first lesson is free, where we learn your goals and we've devised a way to help you get you where you want to be as fast as possible. So check that out, and we'll catch you next time here for Quick Riffs.